Welcome to our quick guide on making a video call with your group on Messenger. If you're ready to connect face-to-face with friends, family, or teammates, this update-friendly walkthrough will have you calling in no time. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. If you're already in the chat, you're halfway there. If not, navigate to the friends list and find the group you want to video call. The goal is to locate that group chat you use to stay in sync with everyone, then take the next step from within the conversation. Once you're inside the group chat, look up toward the top of the screen. You'll see a row of icons that represents the group's options. Among these, find the camera icon. This is your entry point to starting a video call. Tap that camera symbol once to begin the process and bring everyone into the same visual space. After you tap the camera icon, Messenger will connect you to a live video call with all group members currently available. If someone isn't online, they'll join as soon as they're back, and you can still chat with those who are present. While you're on the call, you'll see thumbnails of participants along the bottom or side of the screen, depending on your device, so you can keep track of who's in and who's talking. During the call, you have practical controls to enhance the experience. You can mute your microphone if there's background noise, or toggle your camera off if you want to switch to audio-only moments. If you need more space, you can enlarge the main video by tapping on a participant square. For quick collaboration, use the chat panel to send messages, links, or share to other apps without leaving the call. You can also switch between standard and grid views to fit more faces on screen at once. When you're ready to end the session, simply tap the red end call button. Messenger will gracefully disconnect everyone, and you can resume the conversation in text form or start a new call later. If you want to restart the video chat, return to the group chat screen and tap the camera icon again. The moment you do, you'll reassemble your circle for another round of face-to-face interaction. That's a streamlined way to make a video call in a Messenger group. It's quick, it's simple, and it keeps everyone in the loop no matter where they are.